to Vlogmas Day 1. I cannot believe this day is finally here. I've been talking about it for weeks, but I'm so excited to start this series. We get to share in a little bit of holiday magic every day leading up to Christmas. So hang out with us while we go get a little bit of holiday decor for my filming space. All right, so I really do want to make my filming space be nice and cozy, very festive for the upcoming videos. So we are headed into At Home to see what cozy, wonderful Christmas finds we can grab. Hey, what's up? This is a different day. The last clip you saw was us at a restaurant. It was nighttime. Right now is daytime. And we are about to get into some breakfast before we use the things that we bought to decorate my space. Really exciting. We're about to make avocado toast, which is one of my favorites for breakfast. And we're just gonna make it the way that I like to make it. I've already toasted the bread. This is the only bread that I eat at home. And it is the Cheesecake Factory bread. It's the sliced bread. So I'm sure you all have seen that before, but that's the bread and the base of the avocado toast. So next we're just going to dice up a little bit of this tomato, not a lot. I just cut 2 little rounds of the tomato. I will dice that up and get it inside my bowl. See, not that much. Next, girl, we've got the star of the show. We've got the avocado. I'm just going to open it up and expose the pit inside. And then you're just left with the 2 halves. So I cut it diagonal and then vertical. And I'll do the same thing with the other one. It's really like just dicing the avocado inside of its shell. It's already cut in the little dices and it looks like that. I'm gonna just go ahead and season up my avocado and tomato before I mash it up. I've got the pepper right here. I use all kinds of salt, but today I'm using the Morton light salt. It has 50% less sodium. So if you have an issue with sodium, like high blood pressure, this could be a great option. So I'm just using this fork to mash up the avocado, mix in all the seasoning that I just put in. I've got this cute little spatula, and then I'm just gonna eyeball half of it down on my toast. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other piece of toast. Now that's just the first half of this recipe. Now we have to make the eggs. We're going to just cover them up and let them cook until the yolks are done. So this is Tasha's version of avocado toast. And then to top it all off, just a little bit of cheese, cheddar cheese that I shredded myself on top. So it'll melt with all the steam, you know, from the eggs. So that's it. That is my avocado toast. I am about to get a glass of ice water and then chow down. After I'm done with this, we'll go ahead and decorate my space and get it all ready for Vlogmas. Okay, y'all, here we are. Oh, by the way, breakfast was amazing. So good. But this is the backdrop that you see in my videos. And so we're gonna change this out and get it all ready for Vlogmas. I'm so excited. This is going to be my first Vlogmas video of the Vlogmas season. My intention is to have Vlogmas December 1st through the 25th. A video every day, girl. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit. I have said many times, girl, I'm not a vlogger. I'm not. It is not my ministry, but we're gonna try. We're gonna give it a little effort, okay? It ain't gonna be long. It's just pillows. But, you know, I wanted to do this with you all and just show you what I bought and all of that. So let me go ahead and get the Christmas pillows and we'll get started. At the beginning of this vlog, you guys saw us go to At Home. I bought a couple of pillows there, and the other two pillows I purchased the other pillows from Kohl's online. These pillows, by the way, came from At Home, all of them. I think I linked them in another video, but if I can still find these, I'll link them down below for you, including Lil Gourd. That's what I ended up naming him. So cute. Got this from At Home also. The first pillow we got is this little white pillow with trees all over it. It's so soft. We're gonna use two of these on the ends. Clearly need to remove this tag, but Christmas. There are two. One says Merry and the other says Christmas. So we're gonna put these on after I remove the tags. All right, y'all, is that cute enough? Merry Christmas. Is that cute enough? I don't know, girl. I'm not the decor type of person, but I know what will put us even more in the Christmas spirit. I got lights. Maybe it'll look different when I'm filming. I don't know. We're gonna leave it like that for right now. All right, y'all, that's it. That's the very first Vlogmas video for 2025. My first Vlogmas ever. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really enjoy this space. This space used to be my daughter's bedroom. When she moved out, I took it over, and it's my filming space, office, and a spare bedroom. You know, if someone just really needed to spend, we have a spare bedroom, but if someone just really needed this space, they could sleep here. I come up here a lot, of course, to film and everything, but I also come up here to sit here and I edit here sometimes. Sometimes I come up here at night and just chill, you know, because I really enjoy the space. I've got a TV over here, right there. I've got a TV that I watch when I'm up here just chilling or, you know, editing, whatever the case may be. So yeah, thank you for being here. I am really looking forward to Vlogmas. Like I said, this is the first one. I'm going the 1st of December through the 25th. I'm looking forward to seeing you every day this month. But until next time, friend, be safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.